time, how you manage, and your stage, how you are representing your body language, your expression, your communication. All these parameters will work. So team 1, Red Dragon will be coming. Please. Clap for. What is your picture? Fifth picture. So what this picture says?
Actually, it says honesty love is above all.
So what title you have given to your presentation?
Humanity, man.
Humanity. So presentation topic is humanity. Alright, good one.
It also shows mother's love is priceless.
Mother's love is priceless. So would you like to continue with the presentation? Please.
Actually, it is shows the child is underprivileged people, and they need helping band of powerful people.
Okay.
And it also shows the most important message we get from this picture, that humanity is above all.
Humanity is above all. So your title is good, your message is clear, but the contents are still missing. Anybody wants to give any lots of points, but not structured. I mean, that has to be structured more valuably. Yeah, please.
It also shows the one who raises someone is more valuable rather than who gives birth.
That's the most important point. Clap for that. The valuable point that only the birth is not the valuable. The way you adopt a child, because there is a color difference between the mother and the child, or the lady and the child. So you are adopting a child, the child who needs care, love and affection, as above all that humanity says. Any other point?
This picture also shows underprivileged people need helping hands of powerful people.
All right, who are powerful people then? Who are the powerful people? The question is from the team right now. Please. You are from team? You want to convey? Come here.
Powerful people are those who have the ability to make differences in the society.
What kind of differences?
From the from poor and rich, educated and uneducated.
Very good point. Very good. Please, thank you. Come. Who is the second team now? 5-star.
I'm here.
You are. What's your good name?
Mega.
Veda, introduce yourself with the team and start with the topic.
Hello everyone, my name is Meda and my team leader, we were 5 members, me, Diksha, Chahat, Deepa and Amisha. So I have chose the 6th one, and it says, the heading is unity is diversity. Sorry, unity is strength. So unity means togetherness. We know that unity is strength. Being Indian, we believe in unity and diversity. India is a country of diverse culture, yet we are one. Teamwork makes things easier by giving their hand-to-hand contribution. Now, I would like to tell a story. So there was this man who had 5 sons. Now, one day the man called all his 5 sons and he gave them one stick. And then he asked them to break it. So everyone broke it easily. Then the man collected all the sticks and then he gave it to one and then he asked him to break it. They couldn't. Then the man told them that unity is strength. And at last I'd like to conclude by saying a quote. We all can work, but together we can win. Thank you.
Mona has a nice presentation, but the only confusion in her presentation is she has almost 2 titles: Unity, Strength and Teamwork. I would like to ask from you, which one is more appropriate, or which one we best can use? See, as she has,
It was unity is strength.
please, let me I'm giving a feedback now. As she told a story on the topic, that is unity is strength. So the title is appropriate, unity is the strength. But once we are giving this presentation into the corporate world to other people, apart from your personal life or we are going in the official life, then the teamwork is a more important part. So we have two topics now, you have to choose. Now you are presenting your team to the corporate world. So I would have suggested the title teamwork is more appropriate, right? Your last sentence was a very nice sentence, the caption, the tagline. And one more thing, she represented the whole team. That was the plus point. Thank you very much. Team 3, Mr. Robert. Yeah, please come.
Good morning. My name is Vishal Mishra and my team is Mr. Robert. The team members are Mr. Ankit Tiwari, Sushil Kumar, Navneet Sharma, Anjani Kumar and Shivam Patil. So as we can see, the caption is number 4. A frog is holding a head of the bird. The title of this caption is hope. As we can see that the frog is never give up. The basic example of this is a example of turtle and a rapid race, in which a rabbit forces a turtle to take a race with him, but he lost. The main reason was that the turtle never loses his hope. And for the further explanation and further point of views, I would like to
Please.
Thank you, Vishal. Good morning, everyone. I am Ankit Tiwari. Okay, we see this picture, and we see that a small frog is continuously fighting with a large problem. In our daily life, we can see this image as an aspect of we face a very large problem, and if we apply a small and continuous effort, we can win it. Lives give a equal opportunity to everyone. The same opportunity is given to the dog to eat frog and survival, and same opportunity has given to the frog to fight and save his life. So for the further discussion, I would like to my friend Anjani to continue with the same. Thank you.
Like we see in the picture, the frog is in the pond. Like it is the safest place for him to be live, but still he got attacked by the duck. So we can say that even we are at our safest place, the problem can come from the anywhere. So always be prepared for the any type of challenges in the life. For the further, I would like to invite Navneet Sharma.
Good morning, everyone. I had just after seeing the picture, never ever give up. This actually catches our attention, and we all are putting together the points which are about not giving up. But I think I can relate it to just the opposite of the sixth picture. By that we are fighting with each other. That's why we are falling. We should not be fighting with each other. Actually, standing together is the best reason, best for us to win. And I had a second example as well, that the bigger they are, the easier they are to fall.
Bravo. Right, you like to present? Please.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Abhishek Kumar. Now, saying this way, I want to relate with a real-time example. We take the example of Dasrath Manji. Dasrath Manji, when the Dasrath Manji started cutting mountains, many people criticized him, but he never gave up. The moral of the story tells us where there is a will, there is a way. Thank you. I like to call Shivam Patil for the further explanation.
Please.
I would like to give some example of the never give up and ever give up. Like everyone know about the Hema Das, Stephen Hawking, and Dhirubhai Ambani, and Arundhati Sinha. And these all are the example of never give up, because everyone know about their success, but no one realize what types of struggle they face.
So the main conclusion of the caption is that there is a will, there is a hope, and there is a way, and the life gives equal opportunity to all of us. It doesn't matter to whom we are blaming. We have to take our chance and never give up. That's all. Thank you all.
I would like to call all the 6 members over here to congratulate them. The best presentation of right now we have listened. Please come, all of 6. You have elaborated the caption in a very structured manner, and the most important thing which I liked in your presentation, everybody did its efforts. Everyone came on the stage and have a one elaboration of the topic. And you related with the most appropriate examples of the story or the picture, right? Only minus point, obviously I would like to tell you about that. Some of you were not having a bit kind of your body language while presenting. You were just facing to me. I hope there was one person you faced me continuously. Instead of that, you have to involve your participants, right? Secondly, you have an accent problem when you speak. The communication was bit low in that case. Only your speaking. Confidence level was good. So once again, I want you all to back up this team right now. And invite the 4th team, 6 masculine.
Good morning, my name is Kundan Charosia and my teammates are Ashwini Parmar, Abhishek Kumar, Ambar Kumar, Ashish Patil. Our topic is second picture, which where the man is showing his anger. In this picture, it depicts a man who is very angry and frustrated. Frustrated for some reason, maybe anything. It shows his anger and with his anger, the consequences may be very danger because of his anger he can't tackle any problem easily. He have to suffer a lot, and he can create a lot of problem in both his personal and professionals. Like example, for a father and son relation, if a father shows his anger to his son, and after some time he realized that he has shown much anger to his son, and he realizes problem that he has done something wrong. He don't do something.
Good one. Why you are so, nervous? You are nervous. Accept it. Right? There is no question. Your friends are there. And continuously you were just looking at me that what observation is mine. Alright? I said you to involve your participant. They are your participant. I am not the participant. Alright? You are giving presentation to these people. One thing. Your presentation was good enough. You tried to put out the points related to anger management, but my dear friends, now once again I'm requesting, when we are presenting something, we are keeping the things into the mind that we are representing to the corporate world. Alright? Your anger management should have related to something corporate also. Yeah, please carry on.
In professional world, if example, if a boss shows his anger to his juniors and other colleagues, it may be possible that they say they will do same behavior to him and will not cooperate with him and don't show their teamwork with them, because of his anger the whole team and company will suffer. And if he is a colleague and he shows his anger to his boss, it will be like that. The boss will not happy anytime he will anger with him, and for this reason he will not be able to sustain in his company, and he will be fired.
Right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now our next team is William Wordsworth. Please come. Team 5.
Hello everyone.
Yeah.
Today the topic is lack of teamwork in classroom. First of all, this topic is related to. Third one is actually I introduce some of people to get arguments of.
Presentation is for you people, not for me.
To lack of teamwork is also seen here because three members are including and three members are not comfortable with if one person with each other. But I member is ignored to. Include my friends Manoj Gaur and.
It's okay. I mean,
It's okay. I mean,
team
we are
leader has
practicing.
said.
Nothing to worry.
In this picture, three person are talking to each other, but one person feel uncomfortable. So it's like team, but they talk fully happy mood, but it's feel very nervous. I think he's not well dressed, like his session is. So
They have a very clear point of view. Only thing they want to know whose fault is this, why he is standing alone. Is this the part of individual person or the part of these three persons?
Part of these.
but it may contribute valid point because we cannot judge his quality and his,
Okay, you mean to say in this picture this individual person is standing alone because of his own reason, right? Because he is not capable, or he is introvert, or he do not want to mix up with the team, right? Or it can be vice versa, because the one picture has the two aspects also. That these people are not including this fellow, and this fellow is just thinking where I am wrong, why these people are not including me. So both parts are good. The only thing is that you have to work on your communication and your body language. Otherwise your concept is very much structured and very much clear. Clap for you. Aryan, right?
Good morning, all of you. My name is Aryan, and my teammates are Raz, Akash, Amit, Naveen, Guru, and Vikas. And my topic is a little smile can change the world. As we know that mornings are a special type of day, and special time of the day is all fresh as new as a newborn baby. And getting up early in the morning can make you feel better. We should start our morning with a happy smile to make our whole day better. As we all know that your little smile can make anyone's day better. As it said that a smiling face can always conquer the world. And the moral of my story is always be happy and keep smiling. So thank you. And I like to call my friend to conclude it.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Raj Kiran, and I am here for the first one topic. There, you are people see here is a smile, just a smile. When we think of this picture, we feel happiness from our inside. There is also a little heart there. It connects our smile with our heart. There is a in my overall life experience, when I see a people with a smiley face, I feel happy from inside, and it gets my day better and better. It fills me with energy to keep my day running all well. So keep smiling always. Thank you.
Thank you everybody.
I was a member of this team.
Please come if you want to give any contribution.
Good morning everyone. As our topic is happy morning, and we can see that here one smile face is there. which is showing little bit red and yellow. So I will go with the example of sun. As the sun rise, we see sun is red, but after some time it gives brightness in the world. After then it's again sunset. So it's a best example of be happy in the morning, cheer up and do whatever you have think. And the last I want to conclude that early to bed, early to rise, make a person happy, wealthy and wise. Thank you.
I hope now my term is here. Still, there is one person who wants to come and contribute. Yeah, please come if you want to
He
contribute.
has a very beautiful point upon our.
Please. Anyone who wants to share, or shall I recap and finish it up? Please come.
Good morning, friends. My name is Jaishankar Sharma. I am a team member of Mr. Robert. I give my point of view on for teacher. Never give up.